starting with question number 4, I'm going to focus exclusively on f of x, this polynomial function. Question number 4, using the limit notation, express the end behavior. End behavior means that you're going to make x approach negative and positive infinity. So I want to find the limit of f of x as x approaches negative infinity, and also the limit of f of x as x approaches positive infinity. So you can very well, using the y equals button, enter the formula for f of x, graph it on your graphing calculator, and see if it goes up or down. To the left, when it goes negative infinity, in that case is going to be going down, and to the right, that is when x approaches positive infinity, in that case is going to go up, so towards positive infinity. Question number 5. I've got 2 points, A and B, that are turning points of the graph. And I'm giving you the value of the x value of each. You just need to evaluate y by using f of x. So what you're going to do is to type on your calculator 1 plus square root of 13, do not forget those 2 parentheses, divided by 3, and then use the store button to store that into x. Since you're going to graph it, you can preemptively write down this value of the point, which is roughly 1.53. You will be provided with a graph paper for the test. And then you're going to type on your calculator. Once this value here is stored into x, you're going to type the formula for f of x. So I'm typing on my calculator x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4, and I get negative 0.88. You just round it up. So I've got f of x of 1 equals negative 0.88, roughly. Okay? And then I need to graph it. So I'm going to, so you can use your graph ruled paper to sketch that. So I had x1 equals 1.53 roughly here, and y1 I found negative 0.88. So it's going to be right here, roughly. And I'm going to do the same thing for B. For question B, it's very similar. So I will provide a separate video for the proper use, most efficient use of the calculator. But here, x2 is negative 0.87. So that would be my point here. And y2 will be f of x2. And if I use the same formula after having stored, you should find 6.06. So please practice with the calculator for that review to make sure you have that down and know how to use the calculator. Okay, so my second turning point would be negative 0.87, so roughly here, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to be roughly here. The goal is just to have a decent sketch of the graph, okay?